Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Sharia sir is here again, and today we'll reveal the secret of this kind of math, why we will get 1 every time even if the base is changed. So before we get to start, I have an announcement for you that my all classes are ongoing in physically. So if you join, obviously you are welcome. So first we need to know these two rules, and the first one is multiplication rule of exponent. So we can see the formula here, and base is common, so we can take any common base here. 2 is a common base, and 1 is the exponent of this base, and after that we get 2 to the power 1 plus 1. According to this formula, we'll get 2 to the power 2. So this is the explanation of multiplication rule of exponent, but this one is related to the main part that we are going to discuss. So let me discuss these rules, the second the division rule of exponent. So here these two formulas are same, and if we take this formula, we can see the here base is also equal here, and if we take 2 as a base, and we obviously follow this formula for understanding, and if we take the common base is 2, then obviously the answer will be 1. We all know about it, because if we cut 2 and 2, if we make it in lowest, then we will get 1. So if we further go towards to down, I mean in vertical way, we can, if we follow actually these rules, so we can get 1 minus 1 here, because 2 has the power 1 and 2 has also the power 1. So if we follow these rules, we can write it, right? So after that we can get it, this expression. So from this fraction we get 1, and from this fraction we get 2 to the power 0. That's why we can write 2 to the power 0 equal to 1. I mean this value is equal to 1. So that is how we can prove this expression is equal to 1. If you take it 3 in this instead of 2, if you take 10, even if you take the negative integer, you will get the same answer. Now let me give an example with negative integer. So if we take -7 as a base, I mean common base, we obviously follow these rules, so we'll definitely get 1 here, because after cutting we can get 1 here. If we go toward down, we'll get -7 to the power 1 minus 1, because -7 has 1 as power, and -7, this -7, I mean this one has also 1 as a power. So if we follow these rules, we can get -7 is equal to 0. So in this case we see this 1 is also equal to 1. So now we have already showed that how it happens. Now in terms of variable, we cannot take the 0 as a base. Why? If you take 0 as a base, you will get 0. So if we want the result 1 is here, we cannot take 0 as a base. We can take all the integers except 0. So now we actually know how it happens, how we get the result 1 all the time, even if the base is changed. So that is all for today, and see you in the next video, inshallah.